Welcome. We are going to see how to create variable product on your WhatsApp e-commerce store. Variable product is a single product with multiple options for customers. On the dashboard, click on Attributes. Then, click on the plus sign. Then you would see size, color and weight. Attributes that you can create. So, we are going to choose from of them. We choose size. We are going to use the radio button for it. Then, click Create. For the size, click plus sign to proceed. Head over to Options. Then, click Create and add S for the size. Create and continue to add variations. M is for medium size. Medium. L is for large. XL is extra large. So, the S is for small. M for medium, L for large. XXL is for extra extra large. Now, we are going to continue to adding more attribute for the variable products. Now, we are going to use weight. Create the radio button again. We are going to add weight. So, click on weight. Switch over to options. So, we adding 500 grams. Then click Save. Under this attribute, we are going to add more value under weight. So, we are adding 1 kilogram. Click Create. Then, we add another weight volume. This time, it would be 1 liter. Click Create. Add another. Here, we are adding 1%. That should be all for the weight attributes. So, we head over to the next step to see how we can attach this size and weight to the products. So, we head over to products. Then, we add. Now, click variables. Click variable. Then, add the name of the product. Add the regular price if you opt to. You can ignore it and add just selling price. Regular price and selling price. Add a description for the product. Then, click Create. Then, click on the product name. Head over to Image. click the plus sign. Choose an image from your gallery. Here we are opting for a polo. Then, head over still to attributes, so you click the plus sign for the size on your left. So, there are 5 options. So, you head over to Variants. So, there are different sizes for this polo. We have small. Then, we select an image for the small size from the gallery. So, we put the price for this particular small size. This is the price for the small size for the polo shirt. Afterwards, click Save. Head over again to the Variants. From the drop-down menu, click M for medium size. Add image. Enter the regular price. Enter selling price. Click Create. Again. Click the plus sign. Click the L for the large. From the gallery, enter the product image. Then, enter. Enter the regular and the selling price, click Save. Then, again click plus sign. Enter the XL, extra large size for this variable product. Then, enter the image. Enter the price for this particular size, the XL size. Enter the prices. Then, click Create. Click the plus sign. Once again to add another size, the XXL size. Click to enter the image. Enter the prices. Then, click Create. So, you can see all the variables of the polo shirt in the various sizes and their prices attached to the polo shirt. Now, we are going to see how this variable product works during an order. But, we would add another product variable for food item. So, we click the variable product. Then enter a name for it. This time, we would be using crayfish. We are going to use the other attributes we earlier created for this one. Then enter a name for it. This time, we would be using crayfish. We are going to use the other attributes we earlier created for this one. So, we enter the prices. Click Create. So, we create on the product to add the image. Click the plus sign. Choose an image from your gallery. So, we opt for a product image of interest. This is it, the crayfish image. So, that's the image for the crayfish. Now we head over to Attributes. Click the plus sign for the weight. So, we head over to Variants. Click the plus sign. Click the plus sign, and add the various weight, first the 500 grams. Create select for the image. Add the price. We are using crayfish as an illustration, you can actually use another product, click create, click the plus sign. Click the 1 kilogram. Add the prices. Click create, select the plus sign, click 1%, select the image of the crayfish. Enter the various prices. Then click create, click the plus sign once again. We are going to add the last. So, we are going to see how this. Works. This works on the main site. Click the arrow key on the store dashboard. It will take you to your browser on your WhatsApp store. Click on store, so now, click on the polo shirt. You can see the different variants, small, medium. Large and extra large. This is what the customer would see on the store front page. We are going to add each. To cart. We head over to the other product, the crayfish. You can see the variants of the weight, 1 kilogram and 1%. We are going to add it too. With the plus sign. When you click each of the products. We head over to cart. You can see the various sizes of the polo shirt and weight of crayfish. These are the product sizes. So we click continue. Add your delivery location. The details of the customer are there. We just click. Continue. So, we request for OTP to WhatsApp. So we enter the OTP. Click Verify and confirm order. The confirmation of the new order. Click the Pay. Payment is successful. This is the confirmation of the order. So that's how to create variable product on your WhatsApp e-commerce store. Thank you for watching.